Good morning, good afternoon, my people out there. Welcome to Lovely Miracle Kitchen. Thank you for the subscriber. Thank you for your support. Thank you guys for everything. Thank you for the love that you show to me. May God Almighty bless you guys. Today, I'm going to introduce to you, because a lot of people have been writing me to teach them how to make a yam cake. So today I'm going to introduce how to make yam cake to you guys. So stay tuned. Are my ingredients for the yam cake. First of all, I'm going to peel the yam. Look at it very well. It's not water yam, it's real yam. Then followed by onion, my pepper, Maggie Cube. I'm not going to use the full Maggie. I'm going to use half of the Maggie. If you like, you can use salt. And this is my salt and oil. So guys, let's get started. Let me peel the yam. Okay guys, I peeled the skin of the yam. So this is how it look like. So I want to put it in my machine now to mix it together. I'm going to repeat the same process until I mix everything together. So guys, stay tuned. Okay, on a pepper. Now time for onions. Make sure you cut it bit by bit. Depends of your size of your machine. Time for cube. You see, just half. Okay guys, everything is well mixed now. Okay, you can see. When you blend the yam, mix the yam together, this is how it will look like. Then you mix it together. Okay guys, I'm going to mix it together with this egg. If you like, you can put egg. If you don't want, you don't want to put egg, you can still do it like that. I put the egg, it just that like it will give me the kind of taste that I want. To add a little bit salt. Then I mix it together with the egg. Then later I'm going to drain the water a little bit. There is no more water here, but I'm just going to do it just a little bit so that it can thick. It's very nice. When you try this, you will not like a beans cake anymore. You see. So you can see I put it in the filter so that it can drill a little bit water on it. You see, there is not much water, you see. So now the yam cake is going down to the oil. Try this at home. You will like it. You will love it. You cut it bit by bit. You see, you guys, for the love.